Okay, hello everyone. So today I'm looking at Unit 9, and so this is one that is very specific to US. So if you're not dealing with US payroll, you can skip over this one. But if you are, then this is a very important unit where we talks about tax wage type and understanding what is going on here from a tax standpoint. So the first thing worth noting is that SAP has a US tax partner. It's called BSI, or Business Software Inc., and you might hear it referred to as Tax Factory. And so the way that this works is you have the SAP payroll engine, so that's the schema, and the schema has things like your total gross, and it has these values, and it sends these to BSI, which then returns the actual tax amounts and the reportable amounts. And so previously we talked about the technical SAP wage types, and you have /3s, /4s, /6s, and /7s. Each of these have a purpose over here. So within the SAP payroll engine, we'll already have the /3s and /6s in there. The difference being that this will be all wages, and this includes any pre-tax deductions. Then you'll have the gross minus pre-tax deductions. So if this is 1,000, because even though there's a couple pre-tax deductions, but then you have a 401k, this will be 1,000, this will be 800. And so what happens is SAP will send this over, and then SAP will return /4s and